How to fix page is not available right now error in Facebook. For this first step, you need to click logout and log out from Facebook. Once log out after, come to next method, clear the Facebook app cache. For this, click settings, scroll down, click app settings, click manage app and search for Facebook. Click it and click clear data and click clear cache. Click OK. Once complete after, close it and come to next method, update the Facebook app. For this, open up Play Store, search for Facebook and update it and come to next method, click settings, scroll down, click account settings, click it, scroll down and search for Facebook. If it's available means you need to click synchronize now, and if it's not available means you need to scroll down and click add account. Add your Facebook account through account and synchronization. After that you need to click synchronize now settings and wait for a couple of seconds. Once the synchronization is complete after, you need to come back and come to next step. Scroll down and search for SIM card and mobile network. Click it and click which network you are using. Click mobile network and wait for a couple of seconds. It's searching the mobile network. Once it's detected after, you need to click the preferred network and restore our network. After that, close it and restart your device. Thank you.